N. Let's create an inlay. We're going to start by making 2 end grain blanks. We'll make our pocket out of maple and our plug out of walnut. Next, let's grab a 60-degree V-bit and begin carving out our plug. To speed things up, we'll clear out the larger areas with a 1/4 inch end mill. Now let's carve out our pocket using the same V-bit. And when that's done, we can cut out the profile of our letter. With our plug and pocket finished, it's ready for our glue up. And if all goes well, the plug should fit snugly inside of our pocket. When the glue dries, we cut out the excess material and hope for no gaps. Awesome. Next, we'll clean things up with a bit of sanding, and now we've got a perfect inlay.